Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use glide bombs. These advanced munitions allow you to strike ground targets from a considerable standoff range, keeping your aircraft safer from enemy anti-air defenses. We will focus on an easy method, primarily using your aircraft's built-in bombing computer to achieve accurate and effective strikes. Understanding these basics will greatly improve your ground attack capabilities in various scenarios. Before taking off, it is crucial to set up your controls and ordnance. First, confirm your keybinds for activating the bombing computer or site are easily accessible. Next, select the specific glide bomb type that best suits your target, whether it is a bunker or a moving vehicle. Finally, remember to activate your bombing mode early, preparing your aircraft for the attack run ahead. Once airborne and nearing the target, activate your bombing computer to bring up the aiming reticle. Carefully maneuver your aircraft to align this reticle precisely over your desired target on the ground. It is important to maintain a steady flight path, ideally at an altitude of around 3,000 meters and a speed of 500 kilometers per hour for the most accurate trajectory. Release the bomb exactly when the computer indicates the optimal drop point. After releasing your glide bomb, observe its flight path towards the target. While the bomb is gliding, you can make slight adjustments to your aircraft's course to evade any incoming enemy fire or reposition for your next objective. Consistent practice is key to mastering glide bomb deployment. Try different aircraft and bomb types. Experiment with various altitudes and speeds to discover the most effective attack profiles for diverse combat situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.